Today we're doing pizza. It's really hot. Whew. Beautiful. 10 more seconds. There you go. Now it's a little bit cooked. I'm gonna go inside, put some ingredients. Tomatoes, very simple sauce. So this is tuna. This tuna is very special. I make it the way it's very tasty. I'm not gonna tell you my secret, or otherwise I have to kill you. Anyways, cherry peppers stuffed with cheese, really good. So it's gonna be half to half, and then some arugula after, some olive spread right here. Beautiful. Okay, just to let you guys know a bit of what's going on here. We have a tuna, we have a buffalo cheese, cherry peppers, cherry peppers, not a lot of cheese. I don't want this to be like too sticky all over the place. And then this tomato sauce is very unique. A little bit of also the olive spread, and then it's ready to go. Two minutes. Oh yeah, right here. I don't mind about the burns. Actually, I like it. All right, let's do this. After the pizza is ready, a little bit of arugula. It brings a good flavor to it, and olive oil. That's it. It's ready to go. All right, listen to this. Oh, can you hear that? Oh my God. Oh, this is perfect. And the smell, even better. Oh, this, I know it's a little bit dark for you guys, but I love it. Olive oil, the burning, crusty, very crispy edges, amazing.